How to integrate HubSpot with Google Calendar. Are you looking for ways to streamline your workflow and improve your productivity? Integrating HubSpot with Google Calendar can be a game changer for businesses and individuals alike. In this video, we'll show you how to easily connect these two powerful tools and take your productivity to the next level. HubSpot is a popular all-in-one marketing, sales, and customer service platform that offers a wide range of features to help you manage your business. Google Calendar, on the other hand, is a powerful calendar app that allows you to schedule appointments, meetings, and events with ease. By integrating these two tools, you can automate tasks, set reminders, and stay organized like never before. To integrate HubSpot with Google Calendar, you'll need to follow these simple steps. First, make sure you have a HubSpot account and a Google Calendar account. Then, navigate to your HubSpot settings and click on the Integrations tab. From there, search for Google Calendar and click on the Connect button. You'll be prompted to log in to your Google account and authorize HubSpot to access your calendar. Once you've connected your Google Calendar to HubSpot, you can start using the integration to automate tasks and set reminders. For example, you can use HubSpot's Calendar feature to schedule meetings and appointments, and then automatically send reminders to your team members. You can also use HubSpot's Task feature to create tasks and assign them to specific team members, and then set reminders to ensure they're completed on time. By integrating HubSpot with Google Calendar, you can save time, increase productivity, and improve your overall workflow. Whether you're a business owner, a marketing professional, or simply someone looking to streamline their workflow, this integration is a must-have.